Hello, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're going to take a look at the 2019 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. She's equipped with a 64-stroke Mercury. Notice she has the optional live well aft. Larger fuel tank located underneath the helm seat. Fusion stereo. Bimini top. And this boat is equipped with the fishing package, which comes with the seat forward, the backrest and rod holders. She also has the low profile rails built in, the stainless steel rub rail option, and galvanized trailer. If you'd like to take a look at this boat in person, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. My telephone number is 910-200-9636. Thanks for taking a look today.